be answering the question which came in from the last lesson, and also thanking those who sent in their messages of appreciation. We also appreciate you guys. We also appreciate you. But we would like to make a small request. We know that you appreciate our efforts, and we also appreciate your efforts to learning. But then these texts, we'd like to keep them to a minimum. We like to keep the text traffic, if there's such a word, to a minimum, so that when people get on the group, they can easily navigate between the lessons, the notices, the questions, and the answers. So we do know you appreciate us, and we also appreciate you guys. So okay, thanks. Let's get to the answering of this question. Okay, the question, as they would like to know how to calculate the profit loss if they have two accounts, one with $10 and another with $50. The accounts have the same leverages. They'll be using the same lot size of 0.01, and the profit or loss is set at 20 pips. This is a very good question because it also will come with a lesson for some of you. It will come with a lesson. So what you should know, is that a pip value. Okay, before I get to the pip value, when you have the same leverage on different account sizes, it does not affect the value of the pips. It does not change the pip value. What will change the pip value will be your lot size, and also the currency pairs which you'll be trading. Remember, I said different currency pairs will have different pip values due to what we call their weight. USD CAD will not have the same value as USD ZAR. Okay, let me not use ZAR because I haven't given an example on it. Let's just say USD JPY. You might find that for mini, yes, you could say mini lot size, for a mini lot size of 0.10, the pip value for USD CAD is 0.91. Then for USD JPY, it may be 0.72. So the factors here will be the lot size and also the currency pairs. Those are the factors which will have an effect on the value of one pip. The leverage won't have that much of a value. In most cases, they are on, and almost in all cases, leverage doesn't have an effect on pip value. It just has an impact on the number of positions you can take in the market with regards to the capital that you deposit, or with regards to your account size. It acts as a boosting method, if I can say in simpler terms. It will act as a boosting method. So let's get to answering the question, because that was a short lesson. So we are given two accounts, one with $10 and another with $50, the same leverage and the same lot size, and the same number of pips. So from this, I am thinking that the person thought that due to the different account sizes, that means the pip value will be different. No, it's not different. Even if the account sizes are different in magnitude, with the same leverage the same lot size and the same number of pips, the pip value will be the same. The pip value will only be changed if you are trading a different currency pairs and you are also using a different lot size, like I mentioned before. So right now, if we have the same leverage, the same lot size, and the same number of pips, the profit and loss will be equal in all accounts. Just that due to leverage, another account will not have enough money to take up more positions. But then, with regards to the pips, the value will be the same. Let's say the lot size of 0.01 agrees. The lot size of 0.01 can be opened on both accounts, the $10 and the $50 account. Let's just say this, the lot size is 0.01. So this is a micro lot. This is a micro lot. Remember, micro lot, that's 1,000 units. That's 1,000 units of the base currency. So okay, and those who are using laptops, computers, they can calculate this easily because it's automatic. You just set the order, then drag the price. It will automatically set your stop loss depending on which direction you drag the price from the entry point. It will automatically be, it's either a stop loss or take profit. And if you take the cursor to that stop loss or take profit, it will show you the number of pips, and it will also show you your profit or your loss. For those who are using PCs, it's easier. But then for those who do it manually, could say manually. For those using phones, those who want to calculate, this is how you will do it. We're using a micro lot. Then from yesterday's lesson, you can calculate the number of pips for this lot size. Remember, we said for a micro lot, 10 pips. Okay, let's start off with 1 pip. 1 pip will be equivalent to, say, 10 cents. So you will just multiply this by 20. You'll just multiply this by 20 because it's 20 pips. So you'll just multiply those 10 cents by 20. Then you'll get that your 20 pips will be equivalent to $2. I hope I did the math correct. Your 20 pips will be equivalent to $2 in the $10 and also the $50 account. What will maybe change this will be the currency pair. Due to the weight of the currency pair, the pip value might be different. It might find that the pip value is no longer 0.10. It's no longer 10 cents. It might be 8 cents. It might be 12 cents. All those. But then remember, we use a general formula for calculation. So we just say the pip value for 1 micro lot will be 10 cents. I hope we're still following right now. So yes, okay, let's just do this on a clean board. We have the can be $10 account, like I said, and $50. The moment you say same leverage and the same lot size, same amount of pips, that's that. There's not really much difference. The calculation applies to both of these accounts if the order can be executed. So, like you said, we have a lot size of 0.01. So, this lot size will give you 10 cents per pip. So what you will do is, since it's 10 cents per pip, so what you will do is that since you are saying 20 pips, that means you'll multiply those 10 cents by 20 pips. So, okay, let me further do this. Say 1 pip will be equivalent to 10 cents. I don't know why I keep throwing this dollar sign. Should just write cents, but then just want to clear the confusion because we're using dollars. So it will be like this. What you will do is multiply this by 20, because say 20 pips, you multiply this by 20. Then it will give you, it will be for 20 pips, that's $2. That will be your profit or your loss. If you set take profit of 20 pips, you'll get $2. And if you set a stop loss of 20 pips, it will be $2 for both these accounts. Remember the factors which I said will have an effect on the pip value. So right now, this was just the general value of a pip when using a micro lot size or micro volume, whichever you may call it. That's that. Remember, for a mini it will be $1, and the standard it will be $10 per pip.